this is very early and no other YouTuber is talking about it, so you need to be quick and participate right now. So let me start this video by asking you a very simple question, and that is, if you are planning to make a big income, a big money, a big bag in the crypto industry, what is the best way to go about it? Well, the answer will be to be earlier than anyone else. That's the case with Bitcoin, that's the case with Ethereum, and that's the case with many airdrops in which people who participated early got the best out of the airdrops and they made a hell lot of money. And now if you're someone who is searching for the opportunities that can really help them mint money, then this video is for you, because if you're watching this video, you are damn early into this project. No one is aware of it and no one is talking about it. This is a very well funded layer on blockchain. It is called Gevlot, Gevulot, and its first task is live. That means you are among the first who will participate in the airdrop quest number 1. So that's why it is very important that you should watch the video till the end, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, because I will be sharing each and every update about this token and other related projects that can mint you a hell lot of money in 2024. So without further delay, let's talk about Gevlot and its first quest ever. Now before I get into the details, remember to press subscribe and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And remember, we have a dedicated Telegram community. We share a lot of crypto stuff like airdrops, like pumps, like pre-sales. We have a dedicated sheet also that is focused purely on airdrops. You can see that over here on number 13. You can see I have already mentioned the airdrop is live. If you are following my Telegram, you will know it at the earlier. So click on the link below and join my Telegram community group right away. So what is Gevlot? Let me show you right away what it is. So it is actually a layer 1 blockchain focused on zero knowledge proofs, providing a platform for deploying proof systems as on-chain programs. It stands out by utilizing ZK proof to enhance privacy, scalability, and compatibility with a unique approach where block primarily consists of proofs rather than conventional smart contract state transition. Gevlot developers focused network DevNet enables the deployment of prover or verifier program on-chain, offering a low lift and simple experience for users interested in the innovative application of zero knowledge proof. So again, this is a layer 1 blockchain which is funded by $6 million worth, and it is backed by Variant, Rockway, Volt Capital, and stacking facilities, and many more. So clearly this is something new which is about to come later this year or maybe by next year, but today is the chance to participate in the airdrop. Now before talking about the airdrop, let me tell you the website, let me tell you the doc files. This is the dashboard of their DevNet. Their DevNet is already live and they have 500,000 proofs generated. You can see the activities are very frequent. If you take a look at Twitter handle, you can see here just 13.9k followers only. Again, you are very early. They have mentioned the DevNet is live. And if you scroll down, you will see the first airdrop task, which is right over here. You need to click this. I will share the link in the description. Click on that link only. And once you click on that link, it will take you through this particular task of Galaxy. Again, Gevlot Stealth Quest. So you need to participate in this quest and collect the points early on. Tasks like these expires very quickly. So you need to be quick and participate in it and get those points early on so that you can be ahead of the game when they announce the airdrop. So clearly it's very simple. You need to follow them, quote them, tweet them, retweet them, verify your role in Discord server. It's very easy, very simple, just the beginning. And again, do it. After you're done, collect the points, and again follow my channel. I will keep you updated about the next steps. Also follow my Telegram. I will keep you updated there also. There are a lot of people, a lot of crypto enthusiasts who want to be early on a project so they can mint a hell lot of money, maybe earn equivalent of $50,000, $60,000 or maybe $100K worth of airdrops they want. For them, I have this airdrop because this is very early and no other YouTuber is talking about it. So you need to be quick and participate right now. So that's the video I like to share. Do subscribe to my channel, to press the bell icon, do click the link in the description and do the task immediately. I will keep you updated. Join my Telegram, subscribe to my channel. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video and a new content and a new opportunity. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.